You might have heard regarding the terminology CTD and eCTD. So it is common technical document. It is called as CTD, and it is a standard format for the regulatory submission for the pharmaceutical formulations. Welcome dear viewers to this video for the information on CTD and eCTD. CTD is a standard format for the pharmaceutical product applications to the regulatory agencies, and CTD is developed by the ICH. It is used for many of the market submissions, mainly for the Europe, Japan, US and the other regions. So CTD is a common technical document that is a format for the pharmaceutical product application. Why CTD is required, or why CTD was prepared by the ICH? So it is for providing the unified format for the regulatory submissions and simplifying the dossier preparation for the products. This single format can be used by different applicants, and it is required to be used for dossier preparation so that there will be a consistency and efficiency for the dossier review, and this will enhance communication between the companies and the regulatory authorities. Purpose and importance of CTD. So it reduces the duplication and saves time, because it is a standard format where the applicant need to put the information section wise and provide to the regulatory authority for the review. So it simplifies the electronic submissions and makes navigation easier for the reviewers. It promotes global harmonization and regulatory cooperation. It is like a single format in which the different type of information to be included. There are different modules in the CTD structure, and as per these structures or modules, the information is required to be provided. There are 5 modules. Module 1 is for the regional administration information. Module 2 is for the summary and overviews. Module 3 is for quality. Module 4 is for non-clinical study report, and module 5 is for the clinical study reports. So it forms the overview of CTD. Then the module 1, actually it is not a part of CTD, but it provides information on the regional and administrative information. Then module 2, module 3, module 4 and module 5 are the main content of the CTD, that is related to the product. Module 1 is for the administrative information, region specific documents. It includes application forms, product labeling and prescribing information, local requirements. Those varies by the country. So specific country have different requirements. Those are considered in the module 1. Module 2 is for high level summaries, like quality overall summary is there, non-clinical overview is there, clinical overview is there. So it is the summary section for all the information. Then module 3 is for the quality. It contains pharmaceutical information for the drug substance, drug specifications, manufacturing processes, stability data, packaging and the controls. So module 3 is the quality section of the CTD. Then module 4 is there. It includes the non-clinical reports, animal and lab studies, pharmacology, pharmacokinetics, including ADME, and the toxicological data. So toxicology demonstrates safety before the clinical trials. It is the content of the module 4. Then module 5, it contains clinical reports, human trial data, clinical protocols and methods, study results, safety and efficacy evaluations, and supports approval of the drug for patients. Then what is eCTD? So it is the electronic version of CTD using XML backbone. It is adopted by the FDA, EMA, CDSCO, and others. Standard for the electronic submissions worldwide. So CTD and ECTD are similar. Only difference is that the ECTD is a electronic format that can be submitted. Advantages of ECTD. So it provides the faster review and approvals, better documentation management, and easy life cycle tracking, global regulatory compliance. These are the advantages. General formatting principles for the CTD. Use A4 size readable fonts like Times New Roman with the font size of 12. Define the abbreviations, number pages sequentially. Follow standardized reference styles. These are some of the general formatting for the CTD. As we have understood regarding the CTD, so CTD has benefits. It improves the application clarity, reduces the formatting for different agencies, and supports good review practices with the encouragement for the evaluations. Applications of the ECTD are new drug applications, NDA, biologics and biosimilars, generic drug registrations, OTC submissions, and line extensions for the new doses or indications. That means NDA, ANDA, generic applications, and all applications for the pharmaceuticals can go through the CTD formats. CTD is a standardized, organized, and globally accepted format for product registration, and mainly it is adopted by the ICH countries and some other countries. It simplifies the submissions and accelerates the approval. It supports efficient communication across the regions. This is the information on CTD. I hope this video will give you information and understanding about the CTD. Generally, it is asked in the examinations and it is asked in the interviews as well. So we should know about the CTD document. Thank you.